Hello, Shakil speaking. In the previous video, we have created the server, and you see our server is up and running. So what we need to do? We need to send the data from the front end to the back end through Axios. So first of all, we need to install Axios. You see, clear cd client. So go to there, npm install Axios. So Axios is responsible for sending the data through client to server, front end to back end. Okay, so let it be, it's done. So what we need to do? We need to go to our client page, register, and we have created a function. So let's get rid of this promise. But another thing we need to do, that we give it a name of remember, or 2 times remember. So there is a error over there. So instead of remember, this is not meaningful. What we can say? We can say it condition. So update it. Condition. Set condition. Set condition. And set condition over here. Okay, so let's check whether it is working or not. Register. So name it Shakil, whether we are getting the response from here. Not strong. Oh, there is a as we have changed, it should be condition, as the user will accept the condition. Okay, so problems are very user friendly. It will do your job. It will let you know where you have created the errors. So Shakil, yeah, we got our response. Okay.